television affects communication. The advent of television in modern society has undoubtedly revolutionized the way people spend their leisure time and obtain information. While the positive aspects of television cannot be ignored, there is a growing concern that it might be adversely affecting communication among family and friends. This essay aims to explore the multifaceted impact of television on interpersonal relationships, considering both its constructive and potentially destructive influences. Television has become an integral part of daily life, providing a vast array of content that caters to diverse interests. The convenience and accessibility of information through this medium have significantly altered how individuals gather knowledge and engage with the world. However, as technology advances, questions arise regarding its influence on traditional forms of communication, particularly within familial and social contexts. One argument against the idea that television has destroyed communication centers around conflicts over program preferences among family members or friends. It is common for individuals with varying tastes to engage in disagreements over what to watch, with scenarios ranging from children favoring cartoons to adults desiring news or movies. While these conflicts may seem trivial, they offer an opportunity for negotiation and understanding. Rather than viewing them as destructive, such disagreements can be seen as avenues for expressing individual preferences and fostering better communication within the family unit. Television, as a source of diverse topics for conversation, plays a crucial role in interpersonal communication. The shared experience of watching TV together provides a platform for individuals to discuss global events, social issues, and popular teleplays. This shared context can create an intimate atmosphere for communication among friends and family. By offering shared content, television becomes a catalyst for conversations that deepen understanding and strengthen social bonds. Anecdotal evidence supports this point, with personal experiences demonstrating how television-related topics can bridge gaps and resolve disagreements among family members. Another aspect to consider is the role of television in replacing traditional forms of socializing. The convenience of watching movies at home through paid channels has diminished the communal experience of going to theaters with friends and family. This shift raises questions about the impact of individualized viewing experiences on shared activities and conversations. Additionally, the busy lifestyles of individuals, coupled with the availability of informative channels, contribute to the perception that there is limited time for social interactions. Channels like Discovery, BBC, CNN, and ESPN cater to various knowledge needs, occupying individuals' time that would otherwise be spent with friends or family. The multitasking behavior of having dinner while watching television further exemplifies how personal and professional engagements, along with television consumption, leave little room for traditional socializing. While these arguments underscore the potential negative consequences of television on communication, it is essential to acknowledge the positive aspects it brings to interpersonal relationships. Television can serve as an educational tool, broadening people's views and enriching their understanding of various subjects. Specialized broadcasts contribute to individuals' knowledge in their respective fields, making them more informed and capable of engaging in fulfilling communication with others. The positive role of television in creating a warm atmosphere at home, particularly during special occasions like Christmas and New Year's Eve, reinforces its potential to enhance familial bonds. In conclusion, the impact of television on communication is multifaceted, with both positive and negative implications. Conflicts over program preferences can be viewed as opportunities for negotiation and understanding, fostering better communication within families. Additionally, television serves as a rich source of conversation topics, contributing to intimate and meaningful interactions among friends and family. However, the convenience of individualized viewing experiences and the prevalence of informative channels pose challenges to traditional socializing. Striking a balance between the advantages and disadvantages of television is crucial for maintaining meaningful connections in the face of technological advancements. As individuals navigate the evolving landscape of communication, thoughtful consideration of the role of television in their lives will be essential to preserving the richness of interpersonal relationships. How does social media and TV affect people's lives? The advent of social media and television has transformed the way people interact, consume information, and perceive the world around them. Both mediums play influential roles in shaping societal norms, influencing opinions, and impacting individuals' daily lives. This essay will delve into the multifaceted effects of social media and television on people's lives, considering aspects such as communication patterns, information consumption, mental health, and societal influence. 1. Communication patterns. Social media platforms have revolutionized communication by providing instant connectivity and a global reach. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat enable users to share their thoughts, experiences, and images with a vast audience. This interconnectedness has led to a significant transformation in how individuals maintain relationships both online and offline. The positive impact includes the ability to stay connected with friends and family irrespective of geographical distances. Social media facilitates real-time communication, allowing individuals to share life updates, milestones, and experiences. It has also played a crucial role in rekindling and maintaining friendships over time, bridging the gap created by physical separation. However, the flip side involves concerns related to the quality of these connections. The virtual nature of social media interactions may sometimes lead to a sense of superficiality. The focus on curated content and the pursuit of likes and comments can impact the authenticity of relationships, with individuals often presenting an idealized version of their lives. Television, as a traditional medium of mass communication, has historically shaped societal discourse and influenced public opinion. While it doesn't offer the same level of interactivity as social media, it remains a powerful tool for broadcasting information, news, and entertainment to a broad audience. Television has been instrumental in creating shared cultural experiences. Major events, news coverage, and popular shows become common talking points, fostering a sense of community among viewers. Television also serves as a source of entertainment, bringing families together for shared viewing experiences. 2. Information-consumption. Social media has become a primary source of news and information for many individuals. The immediacy of platforms like Twitter makes them valuable tools for staying updated on current events. However, the democratization of information on social media comes with challenges related to misinformation, fake news, and echo chambers. The algorithmic curation of content can create filter bubbles where individuals are exposed to information that aligns with their existing beliefs. This selective exposure may contribute to polarization and a lack of diverse perspectives. Additionally, the viral nature of false information on social media can lead to the rapid spread of inaccuracies. Television, particularly news channels, remains a significant source of information for a broad audience. The visual and auditory nature of television enhances the impact of news coverage, making it a compelling medium for storytelling and conveying complex issues. However, concerns about media bias and agenda setting persist. The curated nature of news content on television can also contribute to selective exposure, with individuals gravitating towards channels that align with their ideologies. The 24-hour news cycle, while providing constant updates, can also contribute to sensationalism and a focus on emotionally charged narratives. 3. Mental health. Social media. The impact of social media on mental health has been a subject of extensive research and debate. While social media offers opportunities for connection and self-expression, it also presents challenges related to cyberbullying, social comparison, and the curated nature of online personas. The constant exposure to idealized representations of others' lives can contribute to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. The quantification of social validation through likes and comments may lead to a reliance on external validation for one's self-worth. Cyberbullying on social media platforms has been linked to adverse mental health outcomes, especially among adolescents. Television's influence on mental health is often associated with the content it delivers. While entertainment programs can provide escapism and relaxation, certain types of content, such as violent or distressing news coverage, may contribute to anxiety and stress. The portrayal of unrealistic beauty standards in advertising and shows can also impact body image and self-esteem. The binge-watching culture facilitated by streaming services has raised concerns about sedentary behavior and its potential impact on physical and mental health. Excessive television viewing, especially late at night, can disrupt sleep patterns and contribute to sleep disorders. Fourth, societal influence. Social media platforms have become arenas for social activism, allowing individuals to amplify their voices and mobilize for various causes. Movements like Black Lives Matter and Me Too gained momentum through social media, illustrating the potential for positive societal impact. However, the same platforms can also be breeding grounds for misinformation, hate speech, and online harassment. The ease of spreading divisive content can contribute to the polarization of societies. Moreover, the algorithmic nature of content delivery can create echo chambers, reinforcing existing beliefs and hindering constructive dialogue. Television has historically played a pivotal role in shaping societal norms and values. The representation of diverse characters and stories on television can influence public perceptions and contribute to social change. For example, the portrayal of LGBTQ characters in popular TV shows has played a role in challenging stereotypes and promoting inclusivity. Conversely, television content can sometimes reinforce stereotypes and contribute to the perpetuation of harmful norms. The influence of advertising, particularly in shaping consumer behavior and societal expectations, is a notable aspect of television's impact on society. In conclusion, both social media and television wield significant influence over people's lives, shaping the way they communicate, consume information, and perceive the world. While social media facilitates unprecedented connectivity and information dissemination, it comes with challenges related to misinformation and its impact on mental health. Television, with its historical significance, continues to be a powerful medium for broadcasting news and entertainment, but is not without its concerns such as biases and the potential for reinforcing stereotypes. As these mediums evolve, it becomes crucial to critically examine their impact on individuals and society, striking a balance between harnessing the positive aspects of social media and television while mitigating their negative consequences requires thoughtful engagement and a collective effort to create media environments that foster healthy communication, informed citizenship, and positive societal change.